Now in this section of the video I am going to explain the question number 4th of exercise 12.2 class 10th. A chord of a circle of radius 10 cm subtends a right angle at the center. Chord of a circle of radius 10 cm. There is a circle and radius is the 10 cm and chord of a circle of radius 10 cm. This is the chord of the circle and it subtends an angle of 90 degree. This is the chord of the circle and this is the radius and this is the radius. ये दिया हुआ है. Find the area of the minor segment and find the area of the major segment using the pi is equal to 3.14. अब यहाँ पर माइनर सेगमेंट और मेजर सेगमेंट क्या है? तो ये जो इतना हिस्सा है मेरा ये माइनर सेगमेंट है और बाकी का हिस्सा क्या है? मेजर सेगमेंट है. माइनर सेगमेंट के एरिया के लिए आपको क्या करना है? अगर आप ध्यान से देखो बेटा तो ये आपका अगर सर्कल जा रहा है तो ये एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर हो गया कि नहीं? और ये यहाँ से कट अगर हो जाए, मैं से हटा दूँ तो ये ट्रायंगल का एरिया उसमें से माइनस होगा, तब तो हमें ये पोर्शन मिलेगा ना, है ना? दैट मीन्स एरिया ऑफ द माइनर सेगमेंट इज इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर minus area of triangle. I can name this triangles A, B and C. Clear? Now, what is the area of sector? Which is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Now, what is the area of the triangle? Its radius is 10 centimeter and this radius is also 10 centimeter because the value of the radius are same. Now this is 90 degree. Now if we assume this is 10 centimeter, this is 10 centimeter, this is 90 degree. So what is the length of this one? इसका length क्या होगा? तो इसका length perpendicular पाइथागोरस थ्योरम लगाएंगे तो 10 under root 2 निकल आएगा. Clear? So, what is the area of this triangle? Okay. So, area of this triangle is, we can use half base into height. तो यहाँ से भी हम ये base और ये height ले सकते हैं. So, its area is half base into height. Clear? So, this is base and this is height. 10 into 10. It's so easy. Clear? So now I am going to substitute all the values. Here it is 90 over 360 into pi, that is we have to take 3.14. Radius, that is 10 into 10 minus half 10 into 10. Clear? Now if we can watch 9 4s are 36. Clear? Now 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 40. Now 1 by 2 half and half both are common. Okay. So we can take outside 100 by 2 1.57 minus 1 which is equal to 0.57. That is 100 into 0.57 by 2. We can solve it. 2 2s are 4, 1 5, 2 7s are 14, 1 5, 2 8s are 16. 1 5 to 5 is 10. When we multiply we get 28.5 centimeter. This is segment, not area. 28.5 centimeter. Now the second part of this question, we have to find the major sector. Okay. Now here we have sector. So we have the formula theta upon 360 into pi r square. But theta is this 90 degree. This is of the minor sector. So what is the angle of the major sector? That means we write here 360 minus theta. So this is the angle of the major sector upon 360 into pi r square. That is 360 minus 90 over 360 into pi r square. I think now you can solve this question. That is 270 over 360 into 3.14 into 10 into 10. And now you can solve, you can easily got the answer.